Tubers Mezcal here. I actually purchased a faulty TV, $30. It's a big 40-inch screen. So I'm into it for some money now, and I want to fix the damn thing. So anyone's got any experience with fault finding on TVs, drop some comments, give us an idea on what to do here. I've traced it out as far as checked all the fuses, given a good sniff test to the board. It's not powering on. It was described as an intermittent fault with the standby, so none of the caps look bulged, no obvious bulging or leaking on anything. So yeah, here we go. Let's fix a telly. I'll grab the model number there in case it would help anybody. There's the model number there. Looked like a pretty good machine. It's of the era where you got a whole bunch of HDMI inputs rather than them using those as a sell point. It's even got audio inputs and outputs, which is becoming rarer these days. Funny how modular things look. There's all these unused pinouts on the board. There's a curious, what looks like a 3.5mm headphone jack up here, but it's labelled as a service point, because there's nothing on there except a little corner jack, and all the audio comes out either there or there. Anyway, that's what I'm up to, fixing a TV.